Hello, 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 hello. If your mind lies in the devil's workshop, evil doings you thrill, and trouble and mischief is all you live for, you know damn well that you'll go to hell, yeah, you'll go to hell. Now you're living high and mighty, rich off the fat of the land. Just don't dispose of your natural soul, love, 'cause if you do, you know damn well that you'll go to hell. Yes, you will. You'll go to hell. Hell! Where your natural soul burns. Hell! Where you pay for your sins. Hell! Keep your children from doing wrong if you can, 'cause you know damn well, hey, that they'll go to hell. They'll go to hell. Hell! Man and woman were created, hell, to live for eternity. Hell! But an apple they ate from the tree of hate, so you know damn well, they went to hell. Yes, they did. They went to hell. Some say that hell is below us, but I say it's right by my side. To see evil in the morning, evil in the evening, all the time. You know damn well that we all must be in hell. Got to be in hell. We all must be in hell. We must be in hell. All must be in hell. Only in hell is there so much pain. Only in hell is there so much